Have you ever wondered what the difference is between the words meet, meet with, meet up with, meet up, and meet with? Did I say that? There's so many. What's the difference and how do we use them? Keep watching and find out. Hi guys, just a short interruption. Please take a second and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Okay, thanks so much. Back to the video. Okay, meet, meet with, meet up, and all of the other ones. Let's get started. What is the difference between the verb meet, the phrasal verb meet with, the phrasal verb meet up, the noun meet up? All contain the common word meet. So what does meet mean? The verb meet means to see and talk to someone for the first time. Pleased to meet you. My name is Liam. The verb meet also means to come together, especially at a specific time or a specific place. To meet someone at a specific time or a specific place. Meet me at the train station in an hour. In an hour. 60 minutes. Specific time. We met outside the theater. Specific place. Met is the past simple of meet. It's irregular. M-E-T. The phrasal verb meet with means to have a meeting with someone. To have a meeting with someone. Well, what's a meeting? A meeting is a formal gathering. I met with my boss this morning to discuss my report. So, a formal gathering. Meeting with your boss is formal, right? It's not the same as meeting with your friends, for example. So this is a formal gathering. It's the same meaning as I had a meeting with my boss this morning. I had a meeting. Meeting is noun. I met with my boss. Met is verb. Okay. The phrasal verb meet with must be followed by a person or group of people. I met with my boss this morning to discuss my report. With my boss. Okay? Very important. If you say the person before the verb, use only meet, not meet with. My boss and I met to discuss my report. My boss and I met with, no. Met with who? Yeah. Okay, now let's discuss the more informal ways we use meet. Meet, meeting, meet with, these are more formal, okay? The informal ones are meet up and meet up. They look different, but they sound the same. The phrasal verb meet up means to get together with someone for socializing, having coffee, eating lunch, going to a movie. This is with friends or family, things like that. Let's meet up this weekend for coffee. So, meet up and meet have the same meaning. It's more common to use meet up, and it's more informal, and it's common with friends. Okay? So if you want to be more formal, use meet. If you want to be more casual, informal, use meet up, especially when you are talking about friends. We're meeting up tonight for dinner. Here, meeting is actually a verb in the present continuous. We are meeting up tonight for dinner. Duncan and I met up last week for a drink. Meet up with is also common. It is informal, like meet up is informal, and meet up with is used how meet with is used in grammar. So, I met up with my friends last Friday night and we watched the football game. Here, because I have with, I need to say my friends after with. Make sense? A meetup, which is a noun, is an informal or repeated meeting or gathering, usually for people who share similar interests, similar hobbies. For example, the Strip by the beach is a common meetup place for car enthusiasts. The Strip is a road next to the beach, along the beach, and an enthusiast is someone who really likes something. So people who really like cars are called car enthusiasts. I really like watches, wristwatches, so I am a wristwatch enthusiast. Yeah. There is a book club meetup every Thursday at the library. The moms in the neighborhood have a meetup every Saturday in the park. Probably with their children for a play date, right? They talk about things while their children play. Okay, now it's your turn. I will give 5 examples. Choose meet, meet with, meet up with, or meet up. I will only use each one time, so try to use all of them, okay? Write your answers in the comments section below. Number 1. Meet, meet with, meet up with, meet up. What do you think? Pause the video if you need more time. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. And number 5. Okay, let me know your questions and comments down in the comments section below and your ideas for future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you learned something, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Also, hit the bell icon so YouTube tells you whenever I publish a new video. My name is Liam. This is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. Well, I have a meeting. I'll see you in a future video. Bye for now.